Hey, buddy.
Hang on one second.
You need a consultant? Consulting, anybody? Look, I'll tell you what, 20 grand.
Nothing.
Call it a day. I offer services, strategy.
Excuse me?
Consultant, you need a consultant? Hey, buddy, what do you need? I got it right here. Consulting,
I don't need anything.
strategic planning, leadership development.
I'm good.
Are you a CEO?
I'm not.
Are you? 10 grand.
Nothing.
It's a complicated project. CEO package is right here. I'll give you a discount. Hey, if this is how you're selling your consulting services, come with me. I gotta show you something. All right, there are 3 things you gotta do right to fill your pipeline with 5- and 6-figure consulting deals. And you can do this without begging for referrals, without wasting time networking, and without harassing your network and all your contacts for opportunities. All right, number 1 is power positioning. You gotta be the one and only solution to your client's problem. If you're not the one and only, they're gonna go and find somebody cheaper. Number 2 is the results mechanism. You gotta be able to show clients, however you spell mechanism, how you can get them results. If you can't show them how, they're not gonna believe you. Number 3 is leadership marketing. You need a system to consistently get in front of the right clients, because if they don't know who you are, they're not gonna buy from you. You gotta show them who you are, but also position yourself as the expert they ought to be working with. If you wanna know how to install each of these 3 pillars in your consulting business so you can start attracting and winning 5- and 6-figure B2B consulting deals, go ahead and click on the link above or the button below. We will shoot over a 15-minute video that'll take you under the hood, show you how all of this stuff works, and show you a bunch of examples of clients that have gotten incredible results going through this process. Again, click above or below, we'll get you started.